Alrighty, SHIB is looking beautiful, okay? SHIB is looking damn beautiful, but at the moment, I don't know what Bitcoin is about to do. If Bitcoin actually looks to retrace really to the downside that much, then we have a little bit of room for SHIB to basically come down to this level, which is going to be 1113, and then backtest the 1113, and you're good to go to 1700. And the reason of going to 1700 is going to be, again, the left shoulder, the head here, and the right shoulder. It's been taking quite a long time right now to move higher. That's the issue. But the thing is that you're still looking good. And I will say one stop loss is going to be placed at 1026. So that's going to be like almost a drop off from there to there. That's going to be 14%, which is ugly. But the thing is that if you do take out this level, then I do reckon that that's going to be a huge problem. And even bigger problem is when you actually take out the 954. If you take out 954, you are invalidating the whole right shoulder, and this inverted end shoulder gets cancelled and you go down. Simple put. So that's for this SHIB. It has broken out. There could be a room for retracement, but at the moment it's actually on a technical journey to go to 1700. Okay, as long as you're above this head and shoulder, inverted and shoulder, you're actually looking to come up here to this level. So let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be Cardano.